Hey everyone, it's Daniel Brother Barbaris. In this next video, we're going to get into the nitty-gritty of configuring our task sequences. So let's go to task sequences. We're going to see our Windows 10 Enterprise version 22H2. We're going to right-click on that, click Edit. We're going to scroll down to Post Install right here. Okay. We're going to look for Apply Windows Settings. Click on that. We're going to look for our time zone. So go ahead and select your time zone. Mine's Arizona here. Okay. And then I'm going to look for Auto Apply Drivers. I'm going to go to the Options tab. And I'm going to disable this step. Okay. Click on the Properties tab. And right here, I'm going to click Add, General, Run Command Line. And we're going to set up for our drivers here. So there we are. Our command line. There we are. Click on Package, Browse, and we're going to look for our Windows 10 package that we created in the previous video. Click OK. Options tab. Our success code, we're going to type 2-50. We're going to click Continue on Error. We're going to click Add Condition, If Statement, Any Condition. OK. We're going to click that one more time. Query WMI. And the first one we're going to do is select from Win32 computer system where model equals, and we have our 5 models that showed up there in our search. Paste that there, click OK, add query WMI, second one here, and paste, OK. Same thing, third one, paste. Scroll down a little bit there, query WMI, copy that fourth one, paste, and our last one here, WMI, and paste. Click Properties. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on Setup Windows and Config Manager. We're going to just set our cache size here to 10 gigabytes. Okay. And now what we'll do is we're going to go down to Install Applications right here and click on Install Application. Go up to Add, and in the drop down, we'll go to General, Run PowerShell Script. Okay, this is going to be removing applications. There we go. Click on Browse to the package, CM Lab Deployment Scripts. Click OK. Script name, remove applications.ps1, which we created previously. Okay. On the PowerShell execution policy, go to Bypass. In the Start In, we're going to go to our Share Scripts, just like that. Go to the Options tab, Continue on Error, then click the Properties tab. Okay, we're right here if you're following along. Now we'll click Install Application again. Add, General, Run PowerShell Script. This is going to be our workstation settings. Copy, paste, browse, CM Lab Deployment Scripts. Click OK. That's our workstation settings PS1. Put that there in script name. PowerShell execution policy is bypass. It's also in the scripts folder. There we go. Options, continue on error, and properties tab. We're good there. Now we're going to do the same thing here. Install applications, add general PowerShell script. Here's our BG info workstation. Copy, paste that there. Okay, browse. We're looking for Mark Racinofish, BG info workstation. Okay. Script name is set-bginfo.ps1. We're going to bypass, and then our location. There we go. Options tab, continue on error, and properties. Now we're going to go here to set our power profile. So it says install applications, click on remove applications, add, general, run PowerShell script. We're going to say set power profile. balanced as the name. It's under the same one, deployment scripts. Okay. Our power profile that we created earlier, bypass, and our scripts. There we go. If you don't remember, if you click there, those are those scripts that we created a while back, okay? Go to Options, Continue on Air, and Properties. Now what we're going to do is go up here to State Restore, where it says Enable BitLocker. I'm going to remove that. Click Yes. I'm going to click on Opt in to CEIPWR, Add, and then we're going to look for Disks, Enable BitLocker, and then right down here where it says Wait for BitLocker to complete the drive encryption process on all drives before Configuration Manager continues to run this task sequence. I'm going to click on that and then click OK. And that's it for our Windows 10. Now, Windows 11, right click, Edit. Going to go down to Post Install like we did with the other one. We're going to go to Apply Windows Settings, choose your time zone. Okay. Then we're going to go down to Auto Apply Drivers, Options, disable this step. Okay. Then we're going to go to Add, Run Command Line. We're going to grab our HP drivers, our command to install them. There we go. Our package, browse. It's our HP Win 11 package we created. Okay. We're going to go to our Options tab. Our success code is 250. So 2-50, continue on error, add condition, if statement, any condition, same thing, query WMI, and we'll grab these here. 1, grab the second one, 2, grab the third one. There we go. The fourth one. And the fifth one. And there we go. Click on the Properties tab. And now we'll go to Setup Windows and Config Manager. Set that cache size just like this and paste. Now, we can go through and do like we just did with Windows 10, but because we've already got them set up exactly like this in Windows 10, we can move this over. We can scroll down to Install Application. We can right-click on Windows 10, click Edit, move this over. I'm going to minimize Configuration Manager and just go down here to the Install Application steps, just like that. Okay, you can see them here. And what we can do is we can go to BG Info Workstation, right-click Copy, paste that there. Workstation Settings, copy, paste that there. Remove Applications, copy, paste that there, and set Power Profile Balanced. Same thing. Paste that there. I'm going to click OK on our Windows 10 one. And now we've got all the applications. Now all we have to do is set our BitLocker. So we'll go to State Restore, which is here. Click on Enable BitLocker, remove. Yes. Click on Opt in to CE, IP, and WER. Add. Disks. Enable BitLocker. Wait for BitLocker. Click OK. And both Windows 10 and Windows 11 are good. Now we're going to go to our Server 2025. Right-click, Edit. Same thing, go down to Post Install. Apply Windows Settings. Choose your time zone. Auto Apply Drivers. We're just going to click on Remove. Actually, no, Options, disable this step. Okay, we're not going to set up any driver packages for that one. All right. Then what we'll do is we're going to go to set up Windows and Configure Manager, set up our cache size, put that there. Now we'll go down to Install Application, Add, General, Run Command Line, and this is going to be removing our evaluation version, okay? Just like that. So we're going to set addition to server standard, put in our KMS key, and should be good. Options, continue on error, and click the Properties tab. Now we're going to click Install Application again, Add, drop down. We're going to call this Run PowerShell script. This will be our BG info for server. There we go. Okay. Browse. Look for BG info server, Mark Rasinovich. Okay. Script name, set BG info.ps1. Bypass. Our start in. There we go. Put that there. Options, continue on error, and click the Properties tab. Now we're going to go here. We're going to click on Remove Evaluation, Add, General, Run PowerShell script, set our power profile to balanced. There we are. Browse, CM Lab Deployment Scripts. OK. Script name is power-profile. There we go. Bypass. It's in our scripts directory. Copy, paste, options, continue on error, and properties tab. Now we're going to go here again, click on remove evaluation, add general, run PowerShell script. Now our server settings. There we are. Browse, CM Lab deployment scripts. OK. Server-settings PS1 file. All bypass. There we go. Start in scripts, options, continue on error, properties. Now we're going to go to state restore, click on enable BitLocker, click remove, yes, and click on opt in to CEIP and WER, add disk, enable BitLocker, wait for BitLocker, click OK, and close Configuration Manager. And that's it for video 30. I'll see you in the next one.